हाय दोस्तों, वेलकम टू फॉरेक्स राजा, आपका चैनल जहां पे मैं यूएसडी आईएनआर की एनालिसिस देता हूं. वेलकम एवरीबडी टू फॉरेक्स राजा. दिस इज़ अ चैनल वेयर आई गिव daily analysis of USD INR analysis. Okay, today we are going to discuss a lot of my followers or subscribers in my channel ask what is option trading, how do we start with option trading, and how does that work. So today I'm going to make a small video in a very simple way to explain what is option trading. Okay, so friends, let's take a scenario. The scenario is like this. You have Reliance share. Reliance. Okay, Reliance share today, let's assume, is 2000 rupees. Okay, ये एक एग्जाम्पल है. दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल. लेट्स अज्यूम रिलायंस शेयर इज एट 2000 and if you feel Reliance in another 1 month will go to 2200. Okay, normally an investor, जो भी इन्वेस्टर होते हैं, normally an investor will buy, let's say, 20 shares of Reliance at 2000 rupees and they pay 40,000. Total is to buy 20 shares it will cost 40,000 rupees, and 40,000 invest करके they wait for 1 month to become 2200. So 40 shares पे if at all the price goes to 2200, उनको 40 shares पे 200 रुपीज़ मिलेगा, जो होता है 8000 रुपीज़ प्रॉफिट. ओके, और ये 2200, it can even go to 2200, or it can even fall down from 2000 also. So there is risk there in every angle, or it may not go even till 2200 also. It can become much more lesser. All right, so yeah, it can even be 2100 or 2050. ये 2200 का जो whatever target you have put can even become 2050. जैसे the way you had expected, it might not go because of certain reasons, and hence you might end up with a less profit than 8000. All right, so this is what is an investor will do, where you will go and buy a share. Now I'll take the same example of Reliance, and the share price is 2000 and you expect it to go to 2200. Okay, in option trading, in Reliance, in investing, you are actually taking delivery of 2000. By putting 40,000 rupees, you're going to get 20,000. You're going to get around 20 shares, or sorry, yeah, around 20 shares is what you're going to get. But in option trading, if you think the price will go to 2000, there are options. Option trading is about, if you know that Reliance is going to go to 2200, you buy the options rather than taking delivery of Reliance share. Instead of taking delivery of 20 shares, there are options. Options could be 2000, 2050, 2100. Then you have 2150. Then you have 2200. Okay, these are the options that you will see, and in this options, in this options, you can choose which option you want to take. So let's say you think in next 2 weeks, instead of waiting till the end of the month for 2200, you think that in next 1 or 2 weeks it should reach 2050. All right, so if you know that this is going to reach, there are two options. One is called CE, the other one is called PE. CE का मतलब है call. अगर if you feel that the price will go from 2000 to 2050, then if you feel the price will go up, then you have to buy CE options. If you feel the price is going to go below 2000, then you have to buy PE options. CE is when you feel the price will go up. Hence, you're going to buy you're going to buy the options of 2050. If you invest the same 40,000 rupees, you will get more lots. Okay, with stop loss, you can get more lots, and you can even get more profit out of a small capital invested. So to buy 2050, 100 lots, you will not need 40,000 rupees. you might need hardly 10,000 rupees. So your investment becomes less and you buy something which you predict will go up. Now the same thing what other trader will do is, when they know that for every buyer there will always be a seller. So there are people who feel that, hey, you know what, Reliance price will fall down. So there are people who will sell PE, or there are people who will either sell CE or they will sell PE also. So that is a seller. Or you can, if you think price will go down, you can even buy PE. Whereas people here selling always know that I will sell PE because price will go up. Okay, I hope you're getting it. It will take some time to understand. So let's say you bought CE of 2000. All right, there is someone who sold you that CE. That seller thinks price will not go up, that's why he's selling CE. So they are traders who think that price will not go up. You bought CE because you think price will go up. So either one of you will make money at the end of the day. Similarly, in PE, you are buying a PE thinking price will not go up. And there is a seller always to you who is selling because he thinks that price will go up. All right. So you have a combination of CE and PE, and there are multiple combinations through which you can buy the option of that price rather than buying the stock itself, rather than buying Reliance share with 40,000 rupees. If your investment is 40,000, instead of putting entire 40,000 and waiting for Reliance share to become 2,200, you can put a small money of that and buy option, whether it is on the buy side or on the sell side, based on your analysis. And this will lead to a lower investment and more profitable returns for you if your desired target is hit within a week or within a month. Okay, so this is options trading in a most simple way. Similarly, in USD INR, today USD INR price is 82.23. Okay, let's assume. Now, I might say, hey, I think by end of this month, USD INR can go to 83 or even 83.25. Okay, so if you open the USD INR option chart, you'll see 82.75, 82.5, 82.25, then 82. Okay, this is the options. Then you have CE and then you have PE. Okay, now if you see here, the price is somewhere here right now, current price is somewhere here. And if you feel, hey, the price from from the current price, it might go to 82.5 and above. Okay, by next week. So then you choose weekly options. In weekly options, 82.5, if you feel it will go above 82.5, then you have to buy weekly CE. If you feel no, the price is going to go low, then you can buy 82.5 PE, 82.5 82.25 PE, or even 82 PE. If you feel that, hey, no, by next week the price will fall down further. So here you're basing your trade on an analysis that you have thought, because of which the price will go up or go down. And the reason for option trading, why do we need to do option trading? First thing is investment. Investment is less. Okay, second thing, analysis is important. Analysis is very important. If you know your analysis well, then option trading is a better strategy rather than investing in futures or in taking the physical delivery, because for that you will need more money. But if you have a good analysis, and good guidance, then you can always go for option trading where the investment is very less. Second thing, profits. Profits in options is much higher when compared to physical delivery. So when you buy 40 shares of a Reliance, or when you buy futures of USD INR, your investment is high and your returns might not be so high. Whereas in option trading, the risk is also high, the returns is also high. So if you invest some money in options, and if that options doesn't come, then yeah, and if you have taken weekly option, then you might even lose your entire capital, but you know the limit of your loss. In option trading, you will know what is my maximum loss I can make. So that is the good part of option trading. Let me give you one live example, friends. Let's go to angel broking, where I have my account, where I track I here track USD INR. Okay, so one sec, let me take a marker. Okay, so here if you can see, friends, I am tracking USD INR futures. Okay, and based on that I have my options also, which I have made a note of. So let's go to this option chain. So here you can see, right here you can clearly see USDINR. There is, this is called calls is called CE, and puts, you have puts is called PE. CE means you buy a CE when you know that price will go higher. अगर if you know that अगर आपको लगता है कि price ऊपर जाने वाला है, you buy CE. If you feel price is going to go below, then you buy PE, which is this. And you can see here, there are a lot of people who have bought and sold. Open interest, OI, is called open interest. Open interest means, for example, let's take this. Open interest in 82.5 PE, 1.9 lakhs, which means 1.9 lakhs traders have sold PE, and 1.9 lakh people have bought PE, thinking that, so that means many people think that this will go down, but there are also people who think no, this price will not go up. So if at all, after 1 week, this is 4th November, you can see, right? This is the weekly option chain. After 4th November or on 4th November, if spot does not come, or if options does not, if the price falls below 82.5, then all people who bought this will lose all the money, and all people who sold this will make money. Same way, if the price goes to 82.5 within 4th November, then all people who have sold this position will lose money, and all people who bought this position will make money. Right, I'm sorry, if the price goes up, then all people who sold this position will make money, and all people who bought this position will lose their money. So every day there is something called premium decay. This price will keep changing every day depending on the movement of USDINR. If USDINR keeps moving on upside, this price will go down. You will lose your invested money very faster. If the same USDINR starts falling, you will make more money in this when compared to investing on the share. So it is important for you to make the right choices, whether you take CE or PE on either of the direction. Now there are some people who take CE also and PE also. That is called hedging. I'll tell you what is hedging. Now let's say today's price is 82.23. Okay. Now someone will feel that, hey, you know what, this price can go to 82.75. Okay. So what they do is they buy CE. Okay. Now, but they also have a fear. Array, if it doesn't go up and suddenly falls down, what do I do? Then what they do is they buy 82.5 PE also. So they buy CE also and they buy PE also. That means if it did not go up, at least if it falls down, I will make money here, and by doing that my amount of loss will be less. Okay, so that is called hedging. Hedging means you would have thought it is going to go up and you buy this position, but you take a insurance or you take a cover by buying the same PE at the PE for the current price. All right, so in that way you will restrict your loss. But when you do hedging, you will encounter loss only if the price is right in between and doesn't go anywhere. Because here you will lose money, here your premiums also will go down. So you have to be careful while hedging, because your hedging strategy also should be meeting the requirement. Otherwise, on both the sides, you will lose money if at all spot remains at 82.5 and doesn't go to 82.75 or fall below 82.25. You will lose money on both the sides also. However, hedging has minimal risk. That means your risk is up to around 30 to 40% of your capital hedging में. Whereas if you take a naked trade क्या होता है? Naked trade means today the price is at 82.25. I am very sure it will go to 82.75. So I will buy only this. I'll buy only 82.75 CE. Okay, and I won't buy any hedge, nothing. So if from 82.25 it doesn't go to, if you buy only one position, that is called naked trade. And if at all your position doesn't go till there, you will lose all this money, and there'll be full amount what you had invested will become loss. That is called naked trade. Why do people take naked trade? Is because either they are confident on their analysis or they have less capital. Imagine if your capital is 20,000 or 30,000 to start. At that time, you cannot do hedging because hedging requires more money. So people can take naked trades with a confident analysis, with an analysis which you are, it will work and you will make money. Only at that time you should take naked trades. Otherwise, you normally go for hedging. And to do hedging, you should at least have a capital of, let's say, 1 lakh and above. If you have capital of 1 lakh and above, then you can do hedging. All right. So I hope, friends, you like this video. This is the most simplest way I can explain what is option trading. And please do put your comments and let me know if this video was good or bad, so that I will improve this video again. This is my first effort to explain what is option trading in the most simple way. But if you feel this video is not good, please do comment and let me know so that I'll improve this video. Thank you so much, friends, and you have a good day. Bye-bye.